A decision announced today by the Supreme Court is being looked at by some as a victory for DACA recipients and advocates, but the process of reaching a final decision is still ongoing. Cronkite News reporter Adriana Alba spoke with members of the Valley DACA community as they reacted to the ruling and speak about what's next.
It has been draining. We have been fighting for too long. I'm honestly tired. I've been getting sick, and I think it's because of the stress that we go under, the anxiety.
That anxiety relieved a bit, at least for now, after the Supreme Court decided today that it would not take up a bid by the Trump administration to bypass a federal appeals court and get the SCOTUS to take up the case. Today's decision buys DACA recipients some time, as the March 5th deadline for a decision looms in the background, just 1 week away.
The Supreme Court has basically said we're going to allow lower courts, the Court of Appeals, to run through its process to make a decision. And then we anticipate that whether it's for or against DACA recipients, there will be appeals.
Meanwhile, DACA recipients can continue to apply for renewal based upon the 2 lower rulings from the U.S. District Courts.
I hope that Congress does the right thing. Even when President Trump says that he doesn't want something clean as a legislation for DACA, we want Congress to do the right thing and stand on the right side of history.
Although the March 5th deadline may now be in legal limbo, local DACA recipients say they'll continue their efforts to push Congress for a permanent solution. In Phoenix, Adriana de Alba, Cronkite News.
The Ninth Circuit Appeals Court hasn't set a date yet to hear arguments, but has told lawyers they must file briefs through the month of April.